Hi guys, today is a simple unboxing of a LED strap light. I bought it from Technoplus. Let me unbox it and show you. As you can see, the brand name is Nelson. Let me open the product and show you the items which are available in it. The package consists of a wireless remote, LED strap light, and an adapter to connect LED strap light, and a charger to connect the adapter. It's a plug and play system, so you can easily connect to each other. Let me plug and show you the performance of the light. You can see, as you can control with the help of a wireless remote. Let me install in my pooja room and show you how is the performance of the light. It's a bright enough. I'll leave the link in the description to buy the product. Please subscribe.